Hey everyone, welcome back. It is Gina, and I have the double rotating Beads of the Month club that I received for April 2026. We're going to open it up together. As you can see, I received the Gemstones this time around. They've got 6 different clubs that they rotate around if you do sign up for that rotation, or you could just sign up for Gemstones simply if you want. They have all different options, and you can check out their website for all of those. The link to this is down below, and I also have a coupon code. It's OPAL10, OPAL10. That will save you 10% off the first month of your first club, whichever one that may be, if you'd like to try them out. They also have 2 different sizes of clubs, and as you can see, I have the double here, so it contains twice the quantities of beads as you would see in the single club. In addition to their beads, which are awesome, they also have 2 companion packs. I happen to have the findings and the crystals, both of those to show you today, along with the beads. And if you're an existing bead club member, you can add on any of those companion packs to your monthly package, and they will ship at no additional cost. So let's go ahead and get into everything today. We'll start with our findings, and then we'll go through our crystals and take a look finally at the beautiful Sardonyx gemstones. So here I have the gunmetal assortment of findings. They've got everything listed here. And what you're gonna receive is something like this in your package if you sign up. We'll take a look at all these items one at a time, but they always send some really unique things. And this time the gunmetal, you're gonna see an assortment of different colored findings every month. So this month just happens to be that one. Sometimes it is bronze and sometimes it's copper, gold, silver. They rotate that around as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and go down the list and take a closer look at what's inside. Okay, so number 1 on our list is this partially hammered donut. And it's kind of like a pendant. It's definitely a large focal piece. It's 41 millimeters. And you can see how part of it is left smooth and round, and then part has this hammered appearance down there with a lot of the texture. And then there is a look at the back of the piece. Really interesting. Next up, we have the swivel lobster clasp. There's 2 of these. Another interesting item, so not just a plain lobster clasp, but these are on a little swivel there, as you can see, so they move around according to whatever direction they are in. And in that gunmetal, very dark grayish color. Next up, we have 2 ribbon bales. These are an 11 by 10 millimeter size. Nice large loop at the bottom, and actually a pretty large area there, that space at the top. And they are in good shape. I don't feel like I can bend these or squeeze these to flatten those out at all, even though they're not too chunky, but they are sturdy. Next up, they have included a bag of 2.5 millimeter Figaro chain. It says there's 2.5 feet. All right, so there's a closer look at the chain. Has some really nice links there. Combination of those longer ones along with the shorter segments to break it up a little bit. And then next on the list, it says toggle clasp, various shapes, and you do get 2. So I happen to receive these 2 in my package. Both of those kind of on the smaller side, really nice for a bracelet. Very simple, that one there, and then this one here with its sort of twisted design, and both of these being the same on either side. Up next, I have 2 pairs of lever back earrings with shell. So those are pretty simple as well, but nice to get something in a slightly different style as far as the earring findings go. And then there's that little shell shape design on the front that it's referring to, with a little loop below that where you can attach your beads or your beadwork. Up next, we have 10 of these spear paddle pins. These are 2 inches in length, and they are a 22 gauge wire. These are always really interesting and kind of look a little bit more artisan, handmade, with that paddle at the bottom that's kind of hammered out. That'll hold your beads in place down there instead of that typical little flattened area we see on the head pins or the ball head pins. These are just a little bit different and more unique. So 10 of those, and then also very basic but very handy, and I do like the oval shape. We have a set of 10 oval jump rings in the 6x4 millimeter size, and these are the 20 gauge. So that is the assortment I received for the findings. I haven't seen the gunmetal in a little bit, so it is nice how they switched that up and they send some really unique pieces, especially that first one, that partially hammered donut shaped pendant. And I can definitely see maybe combining this with some chain hanging down or something else. And sometimes these coordinate really well with the beads that you get in your club, but they don't always necessarily have to go together. It's just a really good way to beef up your finding stash and, you know, provide you with some things that you may not have picked out on your own, along with some of the beads. So that is the findings companion. Next, let's get into the crystals. And by the way, you can find the pricing and everything else you need on their website, which is linked below. And for the crystals, we receive 3 different items every month, and they are still working their way through some of their Swarovski stock, which is nice to see. That's the little asterisk S there. So we do have some genuine Swarovski crystal products, and if you don't see the genuine Swarovski, what they're providing is just as nice. They have sourced some really great crystals in this companion pack that they've started to mix in as well. And we'll get started here with the Jet Galactic pendant, a 16 by 27 millimeter size, which we can already see there, that big old nugget. And then we'll take a look at the other 2 bags of crystals. All right, so here is our large crystal focal pendant here in the jet black. Beautifully cut, unique and different shape, kind of a wedge and a large hole there at the top, which is really smoothly and cleanly drilled. It's sort of faceted around the outside, as you can see. So you can use that as a focal, maybe create a piece around that. And then we have 2 other selections in our crystal companion, starting with a set of 12 of the white opal ice bicones in the 6 millimeter size. And again, these are genuine Swarovski crystal, so we know they're going to be great quality. You can see they're sort of whitish. The light does sort of pass through those a bit. And they are all very uniform bicones. And then here is selection number 3. These are the black diamond rounds in the 5 millimeter size. Another sort of transparent selection with the faceted round exterior, and just an example of some of the things you might see in these companion packs for the crystals. A lot of times we will get a focal in a really unique shape along with 2 other bead sizes and shapes, such as bicones and rounds, but they may be different than the ones you see here. This is just a really good example. And if you like pairing crystals with your beads, I think these especially go well with their Gemstone Beads of the Month Club. It's really nice to break up and add some crystals to some of the gemstone beads. And these are in kind of a dark grayish, smoky sort of color, but they're still very sparkly. And it just so happens that these crystals and the findings, I think, are going to go really well with our bead club this month. And like I mentioned before, they don't always coordinate. They're not really supposed to or meant to, but sometimes it works out that way. And what we have here in the Gemstone Club is Sardonyx. So if you sign up for their Gemstone Beads of the Month Club, they usually pick one style of stone to, you know, bring you different sizes and focals around. This month happens to be the Sardonyx. So we'll take a little peek. And there we go. So you can see all that black and white. That really does sort of go well with the gunmetal and those crystals in our selection this month. Let's go ahead and unpackage this and take a closer look at our gemstones. All right, so item number one, bringing us these focals, we have the marquee pendants. These are a 48 millimeter size. Aren't these special? Look at those striations. And basically the Sardonyx, it's banded agate. It's really lovely, and you do get some areas that have a little bit of transparency. All of these are going to be different because they are a natural material. I happen to really love the fact that I've got two here to show you that are so different, just to give you an example of how different these could be. But they're both really beautiful in their own way, combining the black and white and gray and sometimes clear striped areas really, really beautifully. So these have the marquee shape. They're definitely a statement piece. You could leave this just as it is, or you could bead or wire wrap around these stones. Although it's so beautiful how they have these striations, I wouldn't want to personally cover those up too much. But they also have the little loops there at the top, and they are like kind of glued in, or maybe a resin is around that. They're very sturdy, those loops that are in place there, and give us a nice place to connect these to some jewelry. And they're well done. It kind of blends in with especially the clear area that there at the top of that stone. So if you do receive the single size version of the club, of course you'd only get one pendant, and what I'm showing you here is the double size, so you actually get two pendants in this particular Sardonyx club, but all of those will be different. And it really depends on the type of stone that they're sending to. Some of them being more rare or more pricey, and with those you would get less quantities of beads either way. But it's fun to really get to play around with some of these different stones in all different shapes, kind of getting all of those in one club. All right, next up we have container number 2. This happened to be the one I couldn't wait to get into this with you, because look at these, aren't they gorgeous? This is a container with the, I'm trying to balance out that light there, the hex barrels in the 10 by 14 millimeter size, and there's 12 pieces included. So let's go ahead and get into that. All right, I've got all of these in my hand here. And this is so beautiful. The way these are banded, you do get these large swaths of jet black mainly, but then it's almost like half and half. You get a good portion of a lot of these beads with this crystal-like, more clear area. So it's really beautiful how those are done, then a really unique sort of barrel shape or hex shape. They're very smooth, they're in great shape, very good quality stones, and coordinate well with our pendants. So that's selection 2. We do have 3 other containers to take a look at with some smaller Sardonyx gemstone beads. All right, so here's selections 3, 4, and 5. Just wanted to show you these in the flip top containers that they come in. I happen to love using these in my bead storage and organization anyway, so I think it's a great feature that Their bead clubs come with these flip top containers, but also just to give you an idea of how many beads you get and what those look like packaged up when you receive those. And I'm gonna pour them in this little ceramic dish here so we can take a closer look at these stones. All right, so these are the 6mm rounds, and they've got some of that lovely banding around those two, mainly being white and black with just a hint of some spots in some of the beads that are a deep brownish color. Moving along to selection number 4. I love these so much with their little tiny bands and stripes. These are the rice beads in the 5x8mm size. That's really cool. Like, look at all those little teeny stripes. And there's a little bit of brown showing up in those as well. And for our 5th selection, we have the 8mm rounds. So 6mm, now 8mm rounds. Our larger rounds here, also with the beautiful banding, all of these being very consistent, although being a little bit different because of the material that they are. And then I love how they combine with those larger barrels. By the way, I didn't share how many you're getting, so let me do that now. You do get 12 of the barrel beads. You get 48 of the 4mm rounds, 30 of the rice beads, and we receive 20 of those larger 8mm rounds in this club. And then look how they combine really well with the crystal companion pack this month, which is great. And even with those gunmetal findings in that companion pack as well, we have this kind of monochromatic thing going on, it looks like, which works out all together. So that wraps it up for this month's double rotating gemstone beads of the month club. I think they did a really fantastic job as usual. I love seeing the different stones that they send, and I haven't received the Sardonyx before, so it's really unique and interesting and a great way to learn about different types of stones and to sample different types of stones and bulk up your stash, especially if you really enjoy working with them. Next month, I'll have a different club to show you because I am on the rotation. So after this one, I will get something else. And you can also check out the playlist that I have going back a number of years. It shows you all of the different types of clubs that I've received over the past few years, and including some more of these gemstone clubs. If you're interested in that one, you'll be able to check out some of the other stones that I've received in the past. But again, check out their website for all of this information down below and use that coupon code if you'd like to, OPAL10, to save 10% off the first month of your first club. And another perk to these subscriptions is that they come with a link on your printable packing list inside. And those take you to a website where you can download 3 new printable downloadable beading patterns along with your club every month, so you can kind of build up a little personal beading pattern library if you want to do that month after month. It's a nice little perk to the subscription as well. And let me know what you think about this club down below or anything else you'd like to say. I always love to hear from you. Please feel free to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe while you're here. I hope to see you all again real soon. Until next time, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. And as always, happy beading.